I've had the opportunity to work with VIVA Railings on 2 projects, and both experiences have been outstanding. On the 1801 Congress project, their use of 3D scanning technology was unlike anything I had seen before, and the precision with which the curved rails were fabricated and installed was remarkable. At the ERST project, despite the challenges presented by contract drawings that were difficult to interpret, VIVA's coordination with other trades ensured everything aligned and fit as required. Their installation crews were exceptional across the board, truly a top-tier partner.